I'd like to introduce you to Alecia, a junior majoring in livestock production. Alecia is an animal lover, and she's gonna tell us how the School of Agriculture and Natural Resources at ABAC develops leaders in the field that she loves. Let's hear it, Alecia.
Thanks, Alex. As a kid, I didn't know anything about agriculture, but I had the desire to work with animals, which landed me here at ABAC, where every day feels a little more like home. At ABAC, our School of Agriculture and Natural Resources takes pride in the hands-on experiences they provide us. For me, it's important to know your professor and talk to them on a more personal level, which really helps me grasp the material. Labs are eventful as we not only work with models and replicas, but we also work with the animals from our on-campus beef unit, the horse stables, and our full-functioning ABAC farm. Being hands-on and learning real-world skills while still in school is extremely rewarding. In my reproduction class, we are assigned a group of pregnant cows and heifers. Throughout the semester, we go out and monitor the animals. We report what we notice them going through while preparing to calve. This course teaches us the process of reproduction and the physiology of the reproductive system, while providing us a visual aid like no other. Meeting people in the ag industry and making connections prepares you for after graduation. From teaching ag to building golf courses, or if you just love animals like I do, the School of Ag and Natural Resources is the school for you. I am able to love what I learn and talk to people who work with agriculture for a living, making ABAC more than a school, but a home. Jee-haw from ABAC, and back to you, Alex.
I love it, Alecia. Jee-haw, back to you. Having those real-life experiences as part of your class makes such a difference. There's no doubt why ABAC is known far and wide as a leader in agricultural education and in so many different areas. Nice work.